Good morning, dear students. I am here to give the lecture on the topic General Introduction to Vowel Sounds. What are vowels? Before that, let us see what are the types of sounds. Basically, there are two kinds of sounds. They are vowels and consonants. There are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds in English language. Now, let us see what is the definition of vowels. A vowel is a speech sound which we produce with the help of the lung air. We know that air is needed to produce any kind of sounds. So, for producing vowel sounds, we use lung air. This lung air moves out freely, continuously, and takes the oral passage. So, the kind of sounds produced using these criteria make it vowel sounds. Do you remember when did we first time produce the vowel sound? Yes, it was the baby stage. We have seen baby cooing, making sounds like ow, oo, oo. They even cry, making such sounds, etc. So these sounds are called vowel sounds. It is easy for the baby to produce these sounds because we know that we are breathing continuously and we move out the air, lung air, and when it moves freely, it makes certain sounds, and those sounds are termed vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are described on the basis of three factors. They are part of the tongue used, height of the tongue, part of the tongue used, height of the tongue used, and position of the lips. Now, since it is a detailed study and we are here to talk about the general introduction, so I skipped the detail of the description of the vowel sounds on these bases. Now, let us see what are the symbols for the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are broadly divided into two categories, that is pure vowels or also called monophthongs. Second is mixed vowels or also called diphthongs. Now, pure vowels are again divided into two kinds. They are short vowels and long vowels. Now let us see symbol of every sound of vowels with example. The first sound we see is A, as in bed. Second one, it is A, as in flat, sat. Third one is A, that is as in last, past, fast, etc. Next sound is A, what. Next to it is A sound. This is long vowel, as we say bird, cut, etc. Next sound is E sound. This is short sound, as we say ship, lip, tip, fit, etc. Next sound is long vowels, as in feet, read, greet, etc. Next sound is A sound. This is also short sound, as in potato, about, etc. Next sound is O sound, as in pour. Next is A sound, as in rough, cup, cut, etc. Second large sounds in pure vowels is oo, that is took, good. Last sound in pure vowels is oo. This is long sound as in food. Now let us see the mixed vowel symbols. Symbols for the mixed vowels. Now they are the combination of two pure vowels. The first one is A, as we say day. Next is I or life. In life, la, a, life. Next one is oi, as in boy, oil, foil, etc. Fourth sound in mixed vowels category is ow, as in mouth, shout, loud. Fifth mixed vowel is ow, as in nose. Next is ear, as in ear, fear, tear. Second last sound in the mixed vowels is air, as in air, hair, fair. And the very last sound is oor, as in it is ow, pure, etc. Now with this we end the general introduction to vowel sounds. Thank you everyone.